So in the last lecture, we looked at how to encourage buyers to leave reviews. Now, this will happen where you get into situations where the buyer is not satisfied with what you've delivered. And so they could message you after you deliver and say, oh, like, why didn't you do this or why didn't you do that? It just happens. There's going to be people who are unsatisfied, even if you've delivered what you said you were going to do and it was very clear. And it is painful making refunds of like $60. I've done that before and it's taken me a lot of time, and I don't want to refund them because I've spent maybe 30 minutes, an hour on this, but you just have to let it go, because what's more important than anything, that $60, is having a clean sheet in terms of reviews. If you take the money off them and don't leave them happy, what they're going to do is leave a negative review, and that's going to put off maybe 2 or 3 other buyers, which would have made up to say $50, $60 or even $5, So what you have the option to do is come down here and say, click here to mutually cancel the order. So it comes up here, and then you have the option to pick the cancellation reason as well, and it's a mutual cancellation, so they have to accept that. But what that allows you to do is you can see that they're unhappy, you can see that they're probably going to leave a negative review, so you just cancel the gig, you refund their money, and you avoid having a bad sale on your record. Everybody walks away, they get their money back, and so you wasted a bit of time, but at least you haven't got a negative review. So I wouldn't do that very often, but there is cases where you need to do it, and it's a great way to avoid negative reviews.